In this video, I'm going to compare Wise and PayPal to help you decide which platform is better for low-fee money transfers. Both services are popular for sending money online, but they work very differently when it comes to fees, exchange rates, and international transfers. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. Let's start with Wise. Wise is designed mainly for international money transfers and currency conversions. One of the biggest advantages of Wise is that it uses the real mid-market exchange rate, which is the same rate you typically see on Google. Wise also shows its fees up front before you send money, making the pricing very transparent. Wise supports transfers to many countries and allows users to hold and convert multiple currencies inside the app. This makes it especially useful for freelancers, remote workers, travelers, and international payments. Now let's talk about PayPal. PayPal is one of the most widely used online payment platforms in the world. It's very convenient for sending money, shopping online, and paying businesses. However, PayPal often includes higher currency conversion fees and additional charges for international transfers. For personal payments between friends and family, PayPal can sometimes be free depending on the payment method used. But when converting currencies or sending money internationally, the fees can add up quickly compared to Wise. Another difference is speed and convenience. PayPal is accepted by millions of online stores and websites, while Wise focuses more on direct bank-to-bank international transfers. If your main goal is sending money internationally with the lowest possible conversion fees, Wise is usually the better option. But if you want a platform that works well for online shopping, business payments, and general digital payments, PayPal may be more convenient. Overall, Wise is generally better for low-fee international money transfers, while PayPal is stronger for online payments and global merchant acceptance. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.